Hello friends, so today we will discuss about the antiarrhythmic drugs. First of all, we have to know about the generation of normal cardiac action potential. So as we know that there are two types of cells in the heart, SA node and AV node, and the myocardial cells. Here the resting membrane potential is minus 60 millivolt, and here the resting membrane potential is minus 90 millivolt. In myocardial cells, the depolarization depends on the sodium ions. Let's suppose this is a myocardial cell. When sodium ion will enter in the myocardial cell, then it will lead to the depolarization, that is rise of this curve. But after some time there is sudden and slightly fall in this curve, which is due to the opening of potassium channels when potassium channel moves out of the cell. After that there is a phase known as plateau phase, which is due to the opening of calcium channels, because these potassium channels are counteracted by the calcium channels. But after some time the opening of potassium channels keeps on increasing, so there is more and more loss of potassium ions, which will lead to the fall in this curve, that is repolarization. So we can say that this portion of curve is maintained by the sodium channels, and this portion is maintained by potassium ions, and this portion is maintained by calcium ions, and this portion is again maintained by potassium ions. So after a delay the depolarization occurs again. When we see the SA and AV node, the gap between two curves, that is this delay, is very small, which is due to the hyperpolarization by sodium potassium channel, which is also known as the funny channels. In SA and AV node, the depolarization depends on the calcium ions, that is this portion is maintained by calcium ion, and this portion is also maintained by calcium ion, and this portion is maintained by potassium ion. A very important thing which we should always remember is that this interval is resembles the QT interval in ECG. That is, any drug which can alter this interval can also alter the QT interval.